Welcome to the Maldives, a scattering of tiny islands where the ocean turns every imaginable shade of blue. Villas resting quietly above the water, where every morning begins with the soft sound of gentle waves below. Beneath the calm surface, a hidden world quietly thrives. Coral reefs alive with color, motion, and endless small wonders. A quiet stretch of white sand, where the water stays warm and the pace of life slows down to almost nothing. Maldivian flavors come straight from the sea. Fresh grilled fish, local spices, and tropical fruit picked at sunrise. Manta vatozu. A manta ray glides silently through the open blue, graceful and unhurried, completely at home in its quiet world. As the sun begins to set, a wooden dhoni sails quietly home, the sky and sea sharing the very same warm light. Spa. Here, time seems to slow down completely. Just the ocean breeze, soft fabric moving, and a moment of pure stillness. At night, the shoreline slowly begins to glow, the sea itself lit from within by a soft, natural blue light. For generations, life here has followed the rhythm of the sea. Simple mornings, quiet work, and the same calm horizon. From above, the atolls scatter across the ocean like small green jewels, endless blue stretching in every direction. The Maldives isn't just a destination, it's a feeling of stillness that stays with you. Subscribe and join us, a new country every day.